The 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami. The massive earthquake. On December 26, 2004, a 9.1 magnitude earthquake shook the ocean floor near Indonesia, triggering a catastrophic disaster. The tsunami emerges. Tsunami waves as high as 30 meters swept across 14 countries, bringing immense destruction. The tremendous loss. Over 230,000 people lost their lives, and millions were left homeless. The world united in relief efforts. The lessons of the disaster. The tsunami reminded us of nature's power and the value of unity in the face of adversity.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. Please comment if you want me to do more.